Hi, my name is Ryan Moffett, Technical Support Specialist and Employee Owner at Radian Research. Today I will discuss support, calibration, and maintenance of the WECO 4000X test boards. The WECO 4000X test boards were designed to minimize downtime in every aspect, from calibration of the internal RX reference standard to repairing and maintaining the unit. First, I will discuss calibration of the internal reference standard. Radian Research offers several different solutions to calibrate the RX reference standard located inside of the WECO 4000X test boards to accommodate the needs of our customers. The first option will be for us to receive your test board back to our facility for recalibration. Second, the reference standard can be removed from the WECO 4000X and be sent to us for calibration. We also offer on-site calibration services and the ability to rent an external standard. The standard comes with the necessary accessories to perform a calibration and standards compare yourself. The calibration kit is useful if you do not have your own external master standard and the necessary accessories. Regarding repair of the WECO 4000X test boards, we've incorporated a card cage system for most of the major components in the test board. This design minimizes unit downtime if a failure has occurred. The design also aids in troubleshooting the unit. If there is a suspected failure in the power supply, for example, there are status LEDs built into the power supply to verify that the power supply is generating the correct DC voltages for the test board. Also, if we believe there is an issue generating voltage or current on a given phase, we can swap amplifier and potential routing boards between phases, thus moving the problem to a different location and verifying the location of a failure. As stated prior, the card cage design for the WECO 4000X test boards are meant to minimize downtime and to make customer repairs simple and quick. I am now going to demonstrate the swapping of an amplifier card. Before performing any maintenance on the WECO 4000X test board, make sure that the test board is turned off. To replace an amplifier card in the WECO 4000X, simply remove the 4 thumb screws holding the guide onto the card cage. Loosen the 3 bottom silver thumb screws. To drop the card cage guard, pull up on the white tab of the board you want to remove. Then swap the card out and put it back together. It's that simple. As a good practice, we would recommend running a standards compare on the test board after any card replacements. The standards compare process will verify that the test board can generate at all specified voltage and current levels, as well as verifying the accuracy of the internal reference standard. The WECO 4000X test boards require minimal maintenance. Most of the test board's routine maintenance comes from keeping the socket clean and removing any grime or buildup on the jaws and voltage pins. To remove dirt and grime from the socket, grab a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. Lightly soak the cloth with the isopropyl alcohol and wipe away any residue on the socket shield, voltage pins, and the outside of the jaws. To clean the inside of the jaws, take the microfiber cloth, lightly soaked with isopropyl alcohol, and wrap it around a tongue depressor. You may also use a Q-tip or other non-abrasive material if a tongue depressor is not available. Insert your cleaning tool into the current jaws and wipe off the interior of the jaws to remove any buildup. Every so often, the test board may need internal cleaning and dust removal. To remove dust internally from the test board, remove the 8 screws holding the front panel onto the frame. Open the back door of the 4000X as well. Using a low pressure air source, remove any dust or accumulation inside of the test board. Wipe down any remaining dirty surfaces with a non-abrasive cloth. When you are done cleaning the inside, close the back door and reattach the front panel. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the operation, calibration, or support of the WECO 4000X test boards, feel free to call myself and the rest of the support team at 765-449-5576 or send us an email at technicalsupport@radianresearch.com. Thank you.